What is going on, guys? It's Dan from DK Tuning here, and as you can see behind me, we have this lovely vintage car that Ryan is going to start working on. I can't even pronounce that. A Scimitar. Scimitar. I mean, it's made by Reliant, isn't it? Yep. Yep. So Reliant Scimitar. And as you can see, Ryan has started to take the exhaust off behind us at the moment. Let's just show you what's on there currently, and then obviously we're going to build a new system for this. So as you can see, this has got some two little pea shooters out of the back, some horrible pipe work, tiny, I don't even know what that is, 1.25, 1.5 inch bore maybe?
Maybe a 175.
It looks pretty small.
1.5, 175
but
at most.
It's not the best. It's pretty old now. There's a few issues with it, which you'll see as we come under here. So on these resonator boxes, this one in particular has been repaired with bandage. So something from World War II.
Don't panic! Don't panic!
And then held up together with chicken wire. So we're going to, yeah, it's all getting a bit old and rusty now. So we're going to be taking this all off, building it back from the manifold all the way back, and putting two small boxes in the back with some nice new towel pipes in there. So I think that's going to look absolutely amazing. Do we know what towel pipes we're going for yet, Ryan, or not?
Yeah, it's going to go for 3-inch chrome tips.
So 3-inch chrome tips. That's going to look really, really nice, sort of coming out the back here. You don't even notice these tips, and you've got enough space, and obviously the cutouts here for them. So yeah, we'll probably be going for something similar to one of these. So yeah, that's going to look really nice. But yeah, let's get this exhaust off and let's crack on. So guys, the exhaust is coming on now, lovely for this Scimitar, or however you say it, still haven't got it right. But as you can see, we're putting our lovely DK tuning pipe work onto it. At the minute, they're just straight pipes. They need to have the bends put in. We're just making it up to the exhaust manifolds at the moment. And the tailpipes that the customer are going to go for are these lovely, I think they're 3-inch, 3.5 inch, are they? 3-inch, nice and sharp sort of chrome tailpipes there. So it's going to look absolutely gorgeous, guys. Right, guys, so Ryan behind me is packing the boxes up. Now, we custom make a lot of our boxes in-house. So as you can see, it's getting some wadding put in, which obviously deafens it a little bit. And then a plate goes over the top and it's all welded up nice. So I'm just going to weld them up now, and then they're ready to go in. So guys, as you can see, join us on the second day of doing the exhaust work, and Ryan at the moment is busy TIG welding the back section of the car up, and it's looking absolutely lovely. So as you can see, obviously this is a fully TIG welded system. And you've got on there obviously our branding, which looks really, really cool. Some lovely tailpipes compared to the old ones. Little pea shooters, but that looks really nice. Obviously, we're not using cable ties, guys, to use as hangers. That's just to keep it up there whilst Ryan welds it in. But yeah, as you can see, some knocking things off, some lovely TIG welds there. These boxes, it's going to sound a bit louder probably as well than the stock system, but that is looking absolutely gorgeous. So as you can see, it's all completed now. It's pretty much two straight pieces of pipe work there. Yeah, looking forward to hearing what that sounds like once this back section's finished up, guys. So guys, as you can hear, the exhaust sounds absolutely epic and looks so much better as well. Ryan's done an amazing job on that, all TIG welded. That's absolutely gorgeous. So that's the exhaust all done, guys. Just coming off the ramp now, completed for the customer to come and collect. We're going to be doing some tuning on this soon as well with the carburetors. So it's going to be really nice, but overall, great system. Going to be a happy customer. Sounds epic now. Thanks ever so much for watching, and we will see you very soon. He's just stalled it. You can't drive. Stalled it again.
Voy a la playa, había subido la marea.
Second time running. But thanks ever so much for watching, guys. We will see you in the next one. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and like us and follow us on Instagram and Facebook as well, guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.